Good morning YouTube and welcome to Hamburg. Today we're exploring a city I haven't been before. So come along as we explore Hamburg here in Germany. It's a beautiful day in Hamburg today. It's going to be a maximum of 21. Although some rain is expected later. You see all the ribbons hanging down in the street. Apparently when Brett was here last time there was all umbrellas hanging down. Maybe the ribbons are for some festival. So if you know what these are for, please drop a comment below. Now I'd be interested to hear what that's about. But really nice buildings here, really nice architecture here in Hamburg. There's New Zealand and Australia coming around on the map. Tommy Hilfiger shop, and up here is a Brux pants shop or clothing shop. Brux is the pants that I bought in Netherlands now. Yeah, here's the Brux shop. So there's actually a full shop of Brux. Really comfortable pants if you're interested, guys. And there's ladies' clothing in there too. You may not know that Hamburg actually has a number of canals throughout the city centre, and it's kind of like the Venice of Germany from what I've read online. But yeah, you can see we crisscross, so not as much as I guess Amsterdam, but there is quite a few canals and stuff like that here in Hamburg. So just coming up to the Rathaus, or the City Hall maybe, as they say in English. So you can see here big canal and the dike. The lock. Oh, and there's locks on the gates here. Very beautiful. Oh, and look, there's some white swans down here too. One down there's asleep. And he's still paddling away, but he's got his head down, or her head down. You can see the buildings along the canal. Looks very lovely. It's a beautiful day here. And here's the Rathaus. Very impressive. So I understand this is one of the few buildings that survived the bombings during World War II. Magnificent structure. Hopefully you can see the detail there. You've got like knights along the windows, or academics maybe. but very impressive. And this is a lovely square. Apparently there's markets on here. There was markets here yesterday afternoon when we arrived. But yeah, very lovely. Still pretty hilly here in Hamburg, but it's really nice out exploring, like easy walking around, and such a gorgeous day. The building here is being renovated, so it's been kind of gutted, but then they'll refit it, I guess. Couple of pigeons, rats of the sky. Looks like they're repaving here. Red path is for bicycles. The grey is for walking. So I'm in Hamburg for a week, this time for work, and then back in November I'm here for 2 weeks. So this weekend we'll explore a few places, and what we can't get to this time we'll try and cover next time when we're here in Hamburg in November. Of course the weather will be different then. It'll be coming into winter. So yeah. Yeah, look at the steps right up the top. That's St. 𝐵𝐾𝐒's church, I think. Yep, there's the sign over there. Well, we'll walk down this way. These might have been the things here that have been renovated. Oh, in here, it might be in here. Yeah, these might be the old buildings. Yeah, I think it's them, I reckon.